day I hoped I'd never see, silently standing amongst the crowds. Quietly glance towards the sky, I whisper a prayer for darkened clouds. So the raindrops fall to hide the tears, to mask the pain and drown the sorrow, and cleanse the open wounds of my soul, to move me slowly towards tomorrow. Time decides to step aside, alone in my thoughts in this crowded room. Dysregulating, self-reproach, self-feeding depression begins to consume. So I step outside into the rain, to mask the pain and drown the sorrow. I let the cold wash over me, reminds me that there's always tomorrow. I feel a hand upon my shoulder, an empathetic smile warms my heart. I'm told I should not blame myself, it still hurts today, but it's a place to start. There's a long road ahead of me, cope with the pain and live with the sorrow. I'll cherish the memories I have of them, and bring them with me to a brighter tomorrow.